Hello, my name's Michael Culhane
And welcome to another episode of Michael's Car Chronicles.
Hello, welcome to another episode of Michael's Car Chronicles. Today I've teamed up with a friend of mine, Andrew Healy. Andrew runs a classic car sales business called Watley Classics. And Andrew's brought me along today to look at something pretty special. Now, tell me about what we're looking at today, Andrew.
What we got here today, Michael, is a most extraordinary Austin-Healey. It's a BN1 model, a late registered one, registered in 1955, and it's been in the custody of one owner.
This is what's so interesting.
Since it was new.
The chap bought it brand new and he's owned it ever since. How many? Since 1950?
Well, it's almost 70 years, and the most interesting part about it, for you and I actually, because we're Winchester folk, is the fact it was a locally supplied car.
And it's been here ever since. Wow,
Absolutely.
how interesting.
Yeah.
Well, let's go and have a look, shall we?
Perfect.
So look at this.
Carmine red.
So how long's it been in the garage here?
Since 91.
It's been here since 91, just like this, and not moved since 91.
That's it. Actually, it was last used by a member of staff in 97.
It's quite an interesting story, Andrew, because you said the owner bought it brand new, used it every day for the first 8 years.
8 years.
And in that time clocked up
74,000 and some odd miles.
in 8 years, and then basically after 8 years, he parked the car in an old barn, left it, the car badly deteriorated, and then he had a full restoration, is that
Yes, he
right?
got a bit of a fright when he opened the doors some years later, and he thought, right, it's time to address this, and it was extensively restored.
Fully restored.
I mean, fully.
Stripped to a bare shell. Everything was done on it, upholstery, welding,
Engine.
completely redone.
Yeah.
And then he put it in a barn used for 600
I think
miles, did he?
I think he used it for about 6 months, the first 6 months, and then obviously the winter set in and the novelty wore off.
No, I mean, what a great find. I mean, how often do you find a car 1955, one owner from new? So what are your plans for it, Andrew? What are you going to do?
Well, we're going to get it home, and it's going to be a clean-up operation.
Recommissioning, I'm sure.
Yes, we sort of need to decide how far exactly we're going to take it, because obviously we like to try and keep things as original as we can. I don't think there's a great deal to do to it in terms of the cosmetics. It's more cleaning.
I mean, I'm guessing
deep cleaning.
Yeah, deep
obviously
cleaning,
we've
and
got
obviously
to
recommissioning, so all the braking system
That's
will need
it.
to be gone through. Fuel system will all need to be gone
Yes,
through.
that will be the first thing to get her running.
We need to blow the tyres up. I think that's the first for me.
yes.
Unfortunately, I bought a compressor.
They're only flat at the bottom.
Oh, well, that's true. Well, that's not so bad then, is it? Fantastic. Well, I'm going to get the compressor, and let's see how we get on.
Excellent.
So hopefully I've bought enough stuff to get this car out.
That's a new one.
It is a new one, and it's a new truck. Everything new today.
Except for the Healy.
So far, so good.
Absolutely.
Looking promising. They're going up. 35 psi. That's not bad. And the next one's going up
quick.
3 out of 4 so far, so that's good. I just hope the last one goes up.
We'll keep our fingers crossed.
Yep, that'll do. There's 30 psi in there.
Nice one.
Good. Right. Will it push? Will it move?
Right.
How strong are you feeling?
Relatively.
I had mine. Oh dear.
Will it? No, it's not. No, it's not having any of that.
Not in gear, is it?
No.
No. Handbrake is off.
Try and rock it. I think we're going to have to pull it out.
With the winch. We haven't got the dollies, have we?
No, you didn't bring them.
Okay.
That wasn't very thoughtful.
No, it wasn't really. I did
Right,
not.
okay. We're
Okay.
going to have to try something else. Let's try and pull it out. So, shall I unhitch the pickup and pull it out, or just reverse the trailer straight in here? That's probably the easiest thing to do, isn't it? Reverse
Yeah,
the
I think so.
trailer straight here.
Go around the block maybe.
Yeah,
Around that
okay.
way. Just
Right, let's
take
give
care
it a
down the
go.
bottom. I must admit, I'm quite excited about this one. It's definitely an exciting project. Yes and no. I mean, I've got a couple of my own cars, but we ratified this business about 3 years ago, from a hobby from the very beginning. And it's all about betterment, really, finding the right cars that have got the provenance, low ownership, low mileage, and just improving upon them. There's still a reasonably good market for the older cars, but we have seen a change in the last 2 to 3 years. And I think what it is, it's probably more of a case of the people that can connect to those cars, the older cars. Sadly, they're perishing. So the target audience is diminishing. Whereas the cars from the 80s and the 90s appeal to people my kind of age, who maybe wanted one back in the day but couldn't afford it because they had a young family and a mortgage and that sort of thing. And those are the cars that are really quite in vogue at the moment. It's just finding them. It's very difficult, and there's so much competition. But we tend to we try and buy cars that have never gone to market, so to speak, you know, through referrals. And we use a bit of social media as well. People understand what we like. But going back to the car, this is the BN1 model. It was superseded in August. So this was registered in May ~55. So it's a very, very late BN1 with the 3-speed gearbox. And you have overdrive in second and third. I don't know if you can see it, but Carmine red cars always had the black interior with the red piping from new. And most of them had, or some of them had I should say, a fully black dashboard. Sometimes you'll see them with the silver accent around the instruments, but this is not one of those. And the car was originally destined for Australia, a right-hand drive export market, and it was ordered without heater, which has been subsequently fitted.
Imagine it was his everyday car for 8 years and clocking up over 70,000 miles, but yeah,
Brave.
it is brave.
I'm sure he had other vehicles.
Well, it was a new car then, I expect
Yeah.
it was a thing to have.
Absolutely.
Right, now I've turned the trailer around and we're going to give it a go. We've not been beaten yet, have we? So
No, you certainly
let's
haven't.
give it a go.
What it is usually with drum brakes, they will stick. If it were disc brakes, it would probably be easier, the fact that it's sat for so long to move. So they're probably just embedded, the shoes are probably stuck to the drums.
Right, let's see if we can move it. Okay, so I'm hooked on the bottom wishbone there, which is a good point. So we will see if we can make it move. How long's it been here for, Andrew?
Oh, getting on for 30 years.
Well, okay, let's see if we can move it after
Yeah.
30 years. If I can move, that is. Oh, that's it.
Are we going to make it round? Possibly.
I can't see
Might have to
from
move
out
this
there.
stuff
Are all the
or-
wheels turning?
Just do it very slowly again, Mike. I'll
Okay.
just check this side. No, it's the rears are moving, the fronts are not. You
Because
wanna
the
move
car doesn't move, I'd like to try and get it out in one.
it? Yeah.
So if you could keep this steering hard locked and we
Yeah.
move this stuff at the
Move
front,
this stuff. That's it.
then we might stand a chance of getting it out.
Yeah.
But Andrew, if you could, because when I pull it, the steering will tend to want to straighten itself. So if you
Yep.
could keep that on hard lock, see if we can
Yep.
clear that. And it's
Oh no,
No.
it's skidding towards the wall. Somehow we're going to have to. I wonder if there's a jack in here.
we need a trolley jack then, don't we?
We do, don't we?
Which we don't have. But then let's try and be resourceful.
How?
We're on a farm. There must be things on the farm. The gamekeeper is about.
Well, let me give Richard
I'm sure he will have
let me knock
he
on-
will have a jack.
Knock on Richard's door. It's the near side front wheel that's not moving.
Well, let's see if we can just try and push it, because if we can push it a bit. Hang on, we won't push it yet, Andrew, because it's got the winch connected.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and I've got the. Let me just let the winch off. Right, so I've taken some slack off of the winch. If we can just move it a bit, it would be good.
Right.
Hang on. Give it a go. Oh. No. Try it again. Bloody hell. I don't think it will. Well, we can get it closer and then do that again, can't we?
Yeah.
Let's try it again. It doesn't want to leave here.
And I don't blame it. It's been its home, hasn't it, for an awful long time.
We need to try and push it back further or get a trolley jack. So let's let the winch off. And then if we all three of us push it, we might be able to get it back far enough to clear. But let me, I need to get against this wall. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Try it again. Good Lord. That is stuck. Hang on, 1, 2, 3.
That's better. I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, was that enough though? My legs aren't long enough to push it any further. Oh, that went easy. That's what, when they say put your back into it, that's what they mean, isn't it? We can keep it on lock then and we'll try it.
We clear? No. It's just the near side front wheel is jammed. It's the oh yeah, look at that. Bloody hell.
That's a 2-ton, 3-ton.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, that will lift that all right.
Okay. Doesn't want to play ball.
Taking the idea that you want both wheels off the ground, but we might be able to move it like that. We need to push at the front, Andrew, so if you want to, in that corner.
We're going forwards or?
Yeah, add towards that way.
Yeah.
There's not any of that either, is it? If it went too easily, it would be boring, wouldn't it? The wheels are loose on the trolley jack. So I'm jacking it in the centre of the front cross member now.
Yeah.
Hopefully get both wheels off the ground, both front wheels. Normally what we do is pull the hand of the trolley jack, wiggling it to try and get the wheels to turn while somebody pushes it on that corner. So let's try it.
That's better.
Right, well that's moved it.
Yeah. Whoa. Stop, Mike. That's the thing.
Right, I'm going to try another thing. I'm going to take the winch off
Yep.
and put it on the other wishbone.
That's better. Right. Stop. I think there. Right.
So if you
If I
turn the
turn
wheel,
the
Andrew,
wheel-
I'll pull it out the garage a bit more, but I am going to have to disconnect and reposition the trailer to get it on, I believe.
Yeah. Yeah. So far we're okay. Right. Whoa! Stop.
Right, well, that's a better angle for the trailer.
Yeah, so far we're okay. So far we're okay. Yeah, we're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Andrew, you need to straighten
Turn
the
the
steering.
steering wheel. Yeah.
Now towards me. Do you steer it?
Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay.
Okay.
About there. Other way.
Yeah. Straighten up. Now straight.
It's not
Well,
going to be.
it's on.
It's not going to be easy. The other end, is it?
No,
Just
getting
thinking.
it off is
What do you think?
harder.
No.
We'll worry about that when we come to it. But
That's
anyway,
it.
it's on. Not that it's going to go anywhere. You happy?
I think so in general. Yes. I mean, you just can't find them with that history. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. We do have somebody who's quite keen to look at the car. I'll let them do that when it's being cleaned up, and then we can discuss to what stage or to what degree the customer would like the car prepared.
That was thirsty work. There's a pub down the road. I think we should stop for a pint.
There is, you're right, Mike.
It's a nice day for it.
Beautiful. Very much so.
Well, that was all right, wasn't it, in the end?
Yeah.
I knew it wouldn't beat us, but it came close.
Yeah, we're good with that.
Well, I mean, I could have been a bit more prepared. I hadn't seen the car. Andrew said it's been in there for a long time. It was a one-owner car from new, but it had been totally restored. I knew I'd have to pump the tyres up, but I did think it would roll. But the drum brakes rust on, and it's locked the wheels. So fortunately, I got a powerful winch and was able to pull the car up onto the trailer, even though one of the wheels was stuck. Getting it off, however, would be a lot more challenging with the wheels stuck. So the way of dealing with it, I'm going to have to jack it up on the trailer, take the wheel off, free the sticking brake, and then roll the car off the trailer. So that'll take a bit of time, but it's possible. We can do it.